A woman was stabbed by her own husband after a horrific scene in which her partner witnessed her chopping up their own children to feed them to him.
Maria! Maria! Madam? Are you okay?
Maria, this is my last breath. Thank you for everything. Thank you for serving me and your family. Maria, I give you something. Eat that, Maria, and I will show your life will change forever.
Ma'am, do you have any pasalubong?
Hey ma'am, do we have pasalubong? Ma'am, you know that we really miss you so much.
Yeah, ma'am, we really miss you so much.
Maria, are you okay? Why you are in cold? You want to go sa check-up?
Doc, gusto ko po si Maria. Base sa findings, wala namang makitang significant pathology. Pero, may indicators ng allostatic overload ang pasyente. Ibig sabihin, ang asawa mo ay stress na sa mahabang panahon. Maaaring nangyari ito noong nasa abroad pa siya.
Ma'am? Ma'am! Ma'am!
In God's sake,
What have you done, Maria?
Much brutal.